Hey, we're just walking around Al Jada.
Hi everybody.
We're just going for a walk around our new hotel in the Al Jada region. It's mostly just sand here. It's not a whole lot, but just figured we get out.
We feel like we're in the beach, but there's no ocean.
Yeah.
So yan po yung environment dito. Nakaka-relax. Nakaka-relax pag wala na yung araw. I mean, nandyan pa rin yung araw, pero hindi na, palubog na siya. Kaya medyo malamig. Again, the Burj Khalifa. It's
You can see it from pretty much everywhere.
yeah, it seems like it's closer to where we are now. Pulling up.
Oh, into the sunset.
Mahangin. Mamalengke.
Oh, just a little bit. Not by U.S. standards.
Hindi yun, is it? So,
Depends where you are, but yeah, some places it's windy all year.
hello people in the Philippines and all over the world. Be! What? Oh.
I wonder what it is. It's like a trash compactor. It's got a lot of wires in it. Yeah. Yeah, they're not allowed to work between noon and 3 p.m., so they work later now.
Until what?
I don't know. Maybe 8. What it is. Huh?
I think they will go there.
I'm not sure.
Going to the grocery again because we ran out of food. Pupunta ulit kami sa grocery, bibili ng mga pagkain. Nakaka-relax maglakad ng ganito kasi ganitong oras kasi malamig na, palabog na yung araw. Ha? Okay.
Good. Alright, we got Sultana brand for Ice's morning cereal. Rice Krispies for me. What is it again? The sour soup?
Yeah.
Senegal?
Sampalok.
So she can fry some chicken.
Yeah.
Pancit canton.
Yeah. And then eggplant.
Mm-hmm.
We are wiping it, you know, in case for the safety char. Yeah, we got milk. Then cook. Yeah, that's it. That's all what we have.
The mushroom.
Oh, the mushroom.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's all what that we have.
Yeah.
If you enjoy watching our video, guys, night care.